Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now, today I am going to show you, remember my collaboration with Temu? And I showed you these torch lights. And I said I will come back and show you how I install these in the ground, and then I will also show you what they look like after the sun has sodarized them. Okay, so I'm putting these stakes down in the ground, and these are pretty tall. Yes, they are pretty tall. So don't forget, now when you put these in the ground, make sure that the switch is turned on. You have to pull it out like I just showed you and turn that switch to on, or else they will not work the next day. The sun cannot solarize them. So anyway, just want to let you know, want to give you that little tip that when you are installing, don't forget it. Okay, alright, so stick around and I am going to show you what they look like. Okay, here are the Temu Torch lights. And if you look inside of these lights, it looks like a fire is burning, a flame inside of these torch. I like them, and they are not like a bright light. They are yellowish in color, so they are not like the clear white light that you would normally see in the lightings. Yes. Alright, so this is what we have here. And if you guys would like to order some of these lights from Temu, I do have the coupon codes down in the description box along with the website. Alright, so I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. God bless you. Bye-bye.